Hello there, my name is Elisha, and today I'm going to introduce to you Codmentor. The idea is very simple. Bring experienced software developers who are willing to invest their time in helping new beginners to code well and in a smart way. Today, the web is littered with almost similar ideas, but the forums that are online really have a disconnect where you don't get to connect in a personal level with whoever is helping you with your problem. So Codmentor will end that kind of problem by connecting a mentor with a student and teach the student how to not only program in the right way, but also do it efficiently and use the projects that will be hosted on the website. So, having said that, let's move to the next slide here, and I'll show you what I'm trying to say. So there's a lot of things going on in the learning sphere nowadays. Some people pay for learning processes and some don't. Today, if you rather learn on the internet, you can watch a lot of YouTube videos or something like that. But at the same time, some people would rather just pay some money to services like Udemy or some other companies that do the training. But if you could find someone who is willing to dedicate their time and the effort in making you a better person, molding you into a better person, I believe that can really change how people view the learning process. So, in the traditional format, you would have someone like a teacher in your classroom teaching you how to do this and that, right? I mean, most people don't go to traditional classes anymore. I mean, they still do, but not all of them do. So, on Codmentor, we will be connecting people, both like in a traditional format. For example, if you live closer to your mentor, you can meet them at a coffee shop and stuff like that. Or if you just live different in very far distance, you can just do them online. And so you have a mentor who will connect to you as a student, and you can connect with other students. And the policy here is very simple, and as I will explain here, I think that having one mentor per student is a pretty decent idea, because I'm very sure there will be more students than mentors. But until further notice, I think that should be able to work. Okay, so we have one mentor per student. And if you reach a certain point where you are confident that you don't need that mentor anymore, you can move to another mentor depending on the queue, like the position on the list. That is as very simple as it can get. Now, so when it comes to bringing the mentor and the beginner together, we are looking at devotion, quality of the learning process, the personal connection, and the long-term connection as well. And then again, as I said, you can have an in-person meeting with your mentor if you live closer to each other. Now, let's talk about the projects. There are so many projects on the internet, but it's so hard sometimes to decide on which projects you want to try. So we will have several Java projects that have been selected or handpicked by the mentors because they know better, like Java projects, JavaScript, Python, C++, HTML, and more. There will be a ton of them in the database. And what about the results, the outcome of that? The outcome of that will not only be connections, it will also be software developers who are very smart, and then affordable, because I'm intending this to be a free service, and then maybe we can do some funding through donations or something like that. I don't have any financial model for this yet, or revenue model rather. And then there will be better software, actually quality software, and then people can build great applications, and there will be a better, very confident industry in the future. So having said that, I really could use some help with this. I'm not saying that I'm going to hire people here. Don't get me wrong. I don't have any money to hire people. So what I'm saying is, if you're willing to join me in this project, please send me an email to elisha.java@gmail.com. That is my email right there. And you can also tweet me through Invincible on Twitter. If you have skills in Python developer, even if you're a starting developer, that's fine. And then we have some web designers and JavaScript coders and back-end developers. If you know anything back-end, just let me know, and I'll be more than glad to talk to you. So that being said, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye bye.